What it takes to relocate to Australia. The relocation process to Australia begins with careful planning. Start by researching your destination, make a detailed checklist of tasks, including timelines, budget, and necessary paperwork. Once your plan is set, hire Baxter professional movers who specialize in international relocations. They'll handle packing and customs guidance, ensuring your belongings are transported safely and efficiently. Upon arriving in Australia, Baxter's professional team will handle customs clearance and ensure all paperwork is sorted. Wishing it was more than just transportation? We have it all. Move with confidence. Enjoy Australia's beautiful beaches, diverse cultures, and a welcoming community. With a professional moving company handling the details, you'll feel at home and ready to explore this incredible country. Ready to start your adventure? Trust the process and enjoy your new life in Australia.